Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain you a legit website called as check.com. I have been working till 2 months and I'm getting nice pay, so I just want to share you guys. So let's get started. Before that, just subscribe my channel, okay? Yeah. Just go to Google and type of check Q and A expert sign up. So the result that came. So first link only we are looking for. So just go to the first link. Yeah, network is little bit, yeah, scheme. So I am already signed up with this website, so I can't sign up again. So just guys, just click on the your this input box and enter your number, and try to click on this input box and click on start sign up button. And yeah, hope everyone knows about this website. But yeah, after getting my payout, I just want to inspire you few of them, so you can really make some money. So whoever is not knowing about this website, I'm telling briefly. This website is nothing but students are posting some questions, like foreigners as well as our Indian students. So we need to answer. We can search to Google, or how we, anywhere we can search and we can find and write our answers in our own words. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing. It's not a big deal. Okay. So the payout is pakka. It will be in Indian rupees, not in dollar. Yeah, last month it's got credited to my bank account directly, and they're deducting only less amount compared to that Upwork Fiverr and all. They are deducting 20%. So what are the four steps we need to be an expert? Okay, let's look on this. So first step is sign up. Sign up is nothing but, just as I said, just enter your number and click on start sign up. So it will show like your first name, last name, and which college you have studied, something, some basic details we need to fill up. After that, there will be screening test. Screening test is nothing but they have to ensure, right, we will provide the correct answer and we are the right person. Actually, they're appointing an employee. They are appointing an employee. We are an employee. If we are get selected, we are an employee. We can work. We can work as a chick family chick company. Okay. So online training is nothing, but it's not a big deal. Okay. Nothing. They will provide 20 questions, and time limit will be there. But okay, I will tell you one simple tips. What I have done. What I have done is, once they have started the questioning, right? Just copy that and insert a new tab and click on the paste there that question. You will get the correct answer. Already there are many people are getting the same question, so it is already available in the Google and all. So what I have done, so anybody can pass that exam. Next one is, there are some guidelines. They will be providing one PDF, and just download it and just read it. uh, you don't need to copy anything, some basic rules, that's it. For that, they will conducting another exam, that also very simple. If you want to clear that exam, I can explain you clearly uh, why I am not telling detailing, because there are lots of videos available on the YouTube. That's why it's keep on boring, right? I'm just sharing my proof, and so you people can inspire and you can work. That's it. So fourth step and final, and yeah, the third step I forgot. Sorry, third step is nothing but verification. Uh, they will verify very easily. Okay, very soon. As like for me, only take it will take only 5 days, max 5 days. They have that too in Corona time. They have verified my account and they provide the credential. After that, we can just start answering. So I will just log into my account, so we can see how the exactly, once you have appointed to the as an expert, how we can how the interface will show. Sorry for the poor internet, guys. Geo. Yeah, so this kind of questions will be getting. So this 10 minutes they will be allowing for this question. So I can choose whether answer or skip or exit. If I skip, So the particular reason I have to give, and if I give an answer, if I click on answer, so they'll be giving 2 hours. Then in the 2 hour I can find this answer while searching Google anyhow, or referring any notebook or textbook, etc. Anyhow, I have to answer this. So per question they will be paying. That's it. So right now I am click on exit. Um, Sorry guys. Yeah. So this will be the interface you will be once you have account is activated. This interface will be showing. Nothing but start answering. If you click on start answering, you can start answer. My answer is nothing but what are the answer which you are given. FAQ is nothing but frequently asked questions. And this month I have worked only 5 questions. So um, yeah, I'm not getting time. But obviously, yeah, I will work this month also, and next month I will be updating the proof. So guys, let's look on our proof. Yeah.
Friends, I'm not telling lie. It's true. I got the payment. I will show you the proof. 1 minute. Let's search for check.com. Yeah. So yeah. This is my July month payment details. So you can see that my subject is biology and I have answered around 133 question, and for that they have paid me around 11,315 rupees. In that, there is a small deduction fee that is nothing but TDS deducted RS. It's 85 rupees. As you can see, that just 85 rupees. Is it? Yeah, other side like upper Fiverr and all, they are charging 20% of our earnings. But the check.com, it's a legit site, and I'm working till 2 months. So they are only charging 85 rupees, and then I have earned around 11,220 rupees at last. So it got credited to my bank account. Bank account passbook screenshot I will share the in the description. So yeah, that's it for today. So I just want to request you, all the people who is watching this video, just subscribe and support me so I can make more content like legit site like check and all. Thanks for you cooperation. Thanks for watching. Thank you.